Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this interesting question related to rate of change. A 5-foot ladder is leaning against a vertical wall. The bottom of the ladder slides away from the wall at the rate of 1 foot per second. How fast is the top of the ladder sliding down the wall when the bottom of the ladder is exactly 4 feet from the wall? Let us make a sketch. Let's assume this is the horizontal ground and we have a vertical wall here. And our ladder is leaning against this wall, something like this, and the length of the ladder is 5 feet according to the question. The rate at which the bottom here is sliding away is 1 feet per second. This is the rate. We asked to determine how fast is the top of the ladder sliding down exactly when the bottom is 4 feet away from the wall. This is exactly what we are asked to find. Alright, so now what is the relationship between this side, and this side? Remember Pythagoras. The vertical component is y, the horizontal component is x. Therefore, we can say that dy over y squared plus x squared is equal to 5 squared according to Pythagoras. Now we are going to differentiate every single term. If you differentiate this with respect to t, applying chain rule, you have 2y dy over dt plus 2x dx over dt. Because we are differentiating with respect to t, therefore you have to apply chain rule. The derivative of constant is 0. Alright, now let us substitute what we have or what we know. Exactly when the bottom is 4 feet away from the wall, we are going to substitute x equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. Or should we divide every single term by 2? Because you can see 2 can be a factor here. So we have y dy over dt plus x dx over dt. This is equal to 0. So we have learned that this is equal to 4, the x component. So we have 4 here. And the rate at which the bottom is sliding, that is dx over dt, is 1 feet per second. So we're also going to substitute 1 here. This is equal to 0, right? We have y dy over dt. So we need also to find the value of y. How can we do that? Let's come back to our diagram. If this is 4, this is 5, what will be the value of y? We are going to take y equal to 5 squared minus 4 squared according to Pythagoras. But y is equal to the square root of what? 5 squared minus 4 squared. 5 squared is 25. 4 squared is 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. And square root of 9 is 3. So it means that y is equal to 3. So we can plug it back. We have 3 dy over dt plus 4 times 1 is 4, right? And this is equal to 0. Take 4 to the other side and divide both sides by 3. We have dy over dt to be equal to negative 4 over 3. Yes. And what is the unit? Feet per second. So if you want to get rid of this negative sign, you can make a statement. And how will the statement be? You can say that therefore the top of the ladder is sliding down at the rate of 4 over 3 feet per second. You can even change it to decimal, but I would like to leave it as a fraction. Therefore, the top of the ladder is sliding down at the rate of 4 over 3 feet per second. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye-bye.